Again,
Darana yang clean untuk balik saat juga
so this is down payment. So balance na ko dok is ay ngan kay 5,000. So 5,000 if na ang yang denture. So possible 3 to 5 days man siya na what if kung earlier mo kontak ka man ako. Okay, thank you dok. So excited na Kati? Okay, thank you. So are you excited for your denture? So I'm also excited for your new look if you already have your denture. Okay, so who supported all of this?
Amageto님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Wow, 그렇지. Amageto님 감사합니다. Okay, bye bye. So we'll be back after the dentist called us for your fitting. Okay? Sige, goodbye. Bye bye. So may mga sizes ano?
4-4. Jeans randa na niya. Pudda na jeans. 12 ni.
12 niya. Same price ra na?
Ha?
Same price ra?
Hata na siguro na.
Ha? Same na lang?
Unsaon ni? Unom ni, unom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ya, stress. 12. 1, unom ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unom. Ya, 20 ka dos. Ewa to.
ay napo na
Napo na. Napo po ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Napo po na. Sakto. Nado size. Napo. Nasa ilaw.
Nanay, hello black. Apil lang, balas pod. 10, pilang boxen? 10? 10. Voluntary ra ben. Hindi mo gani voluntary ra. Di sa ko ana staderom. Ha? Staderom. Jerom. Ay, ulah. Asir.
Andiyan na tisul.
Di pa na si Frank.
Iya nga po mo.
Nabaho ko. Nabaho ko. Di. Rego kayo ng gusto ano. Mada. Awa dia Frank. Awa dia kay may go ka.
Isin ada utang isin.
Ang sin ko na.
Ha? Dahil na tagugan tayo.
Ay, aras ay.
Ito na mga bata ko. Ari diri mga
Dili sa ipasinan to.
Kuan murag ang kuan ra, di ba ang hollow block.
Ang haligi ha.
Ang katong murag round ba? Ang to gi-explain ni sir. Anya.
Tama sa Regis.
Sa Regis.
Oh, sira nga.
Ha?
Apil.
3/4 pila ka 3/4 ni? 1 2 3 4 5. Anya ang 1/2.
1/4 na.
1/3 ko na.
14.
Torsi hata lang. Salamat. 200.
14.
Annyeonghaseyo, Ate Elaine. So, good evening. So, you are now done with your assignment. Okay, so hand it to me. So, it is 30. Anong diliwan ni 29? You like writing? Sir said that you've had discounted one piece, but you've written 30 pieces, so it's okay. Still okay. So I will be testing you again, okay? So to have a retest, I will be asking you 10 questions, okay? Don't be nervous, huh? I know that you know the answer of multiplication and you've already memorized it, but since you really get nervous, so don't be like that, huh? Okay. Nah, dili ka answer, just like what Ate Talgi said. You already know the answer, but since you are nervous, so that's why you wasn't able to answer. So ready na? Okay. 7 times 4.
28.
6 times 5.
30.
7 times 6.
42.
9 times 8.
72.
2 times 7.
14.
3 times 4.
12.
8 times 7.
56.
9 times 3.
27.
7 times 7.
49.
2 times 8.
16.
Oh, diba? I told ya. Okay? So, thank you, Ate Elaine. And you master the multiplication ha, and also your confidence. Okay? So, it's really rainy outside. So, bye-bye. Oh, so, nara kay kuan, Pandong? Payong? Bye-bye, Ate. Oh, Ate Jasmine here is doing her assignment. Bye-bye. Ta. Hi! Oy, nagtuon na dai mo. Good evening. Ay, may gabi ati. So, this is the We Harmony of Febby. Na? Mother side ati na. So, unsa man imong gikuptan ati?
Reviewer sa math ni PBT.
Reviewer sa math. So, no, I've heard that Ati Febby have won the math quiz. Wow! Pakpak! Uy! Very good! Congrats, Ate Febby. So, can you tell me about your math quiz? How did you won? So, first, asa man mo nag-math quiz? Sa classroom. Kamu tanan sa mga classmates. And then, ikaw ang? Highest score. Maunang ikay nakadaog. So, imong teacher, gikuha ka sa? Para asa man? Para sa math quiz. Nya, nag-quiz na po mo balik. Sa asa man? Oh, so, it means that you are the representative of your classroom. And then, nag-quiz mo balik ato sa stage. Kisa may nag-quiz sa stage? Kamu tanan? Saan sa man? Unsa nga grade? Grade 3 mo. Kisay kontra ni mo? Grade 1 na ka? Wala na ilain nga level? Damat sila. So, grade 1, grade 3. How about ang kuan? Other nga level? Grade 4. Appeal. Yeah, grade 5. Ang grade 6. Wala. Oh, so, grade 1, grade 4, grade 3, o grade 6. And then, ikapila mo ka? Nakadaog ka? Wala. Nakadaog ka? Ikapila man ka? Second runner-up sa inyong math quiz. Sa tanan nga levels. So dito na ka nakadaog nga second placer na ka sa tanan nga level. So you will be the representative together sa first, second, nya third. Asa mo pa dong? Sa bangkal. So magunsa mo dito, mag-quiz na sad mo. District level na na. Hala ka, very good. So you will be the representative sa Soong Elementary School sa district level nga math quiz. Oh, nya maka-proud ate. Oh.
busy kayo. Kabo, nagdali.
No, hello, ka very good. So fighting. Ana gyud. So I will be excusing you sa toang class for tonight ha, so that you can review for your tomorrow's contest. Okay? So, nagdana reviewer si mama. So, I saw earlier, I didn't tell your mother to come here to have an interview. So, I saw that your mother helped you doing the review. Okay? So, you study well, ha? Okay? And then, remember that no matter if makadaog or dili, you will still be our Ate Feby. Ha? Kasabot? Ayog hila kung di ka kadaog. Okay? Okay, Rana. The very important thing is that niunsa man ka. Niunsa man. Para makadaog. So, the important thing, Ate Feby, is you've tried. Okay? Ni-try ka ha for the experience. Okay? So, it is very important. Why? Since you are young, nigdako nimo, madala na nimo. Kasabot? So, keep on discovering new things. And then, accept lang jud sa mga challenge and opportunities. Kasabot? So, ayo siguro, very good na. Apil good ha? Okay? I'm so proud and happy for you. Labo na gid ni imuhang mama, ha? Even though your mother is very busy still, you've done a great job. And you've studied very hard. Ha? That is something to be proud of. Kasabot? Fighting? Bye-bye. Magtaon ha. Ayaw gila kung di makadaon. Okay? Sige, bye-bye. Thank you, ate. Ay, hilak, te. Emotional kay si mama because she's very proud. Ha?
Proud dyan.
Thank you, ate. Bye-bye. Sige na. Aris ako, ate.